everyone, welcome back. Everybody say hi to Kishor Shrestha. He's a professional photographer from Nepal. He specializes in commercial photography, on-location portraits and travel photography. His work has been featured and appreciated in Sony World Photography Awards, and they are exhibited worldwide, including cities like London. Kishor, welcome to Beyond Photography.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to see you.
It's an honor.
I want to welcome you in Nepali way.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome, Andrew.
What do you call this?
It's a khada. It's for prosperous.
Good luck, huh?
Good luck, yes.
Yeah, I need this to fight ChatGPT, you know.
Wait, not end. I have something for you. This is our national pride. It's kukri. You know this Gurkha kukri?
Okay, it is like a national sword kind of thing. Thank you so much. Everybody loves a man that brings a weapon to the studio. Not only does Kishor brought along this kukri as a gift, he brought along a full moon healing singing bowl. If you don't know what this is one of Nepal's national pride of a product. What it is that spiritual healing is done with this singing bowl when you take this and you go like... The resonance is so amazing. This is used for spiritual healing and my wife loves this. She's gonna go ape shit on this. Go like... Kishor Shrestha Om Dream Vision. Kishor Shrestha Dream Vision Studio. Your studio has been blessed. But, you know what? Everybody that brings gift to the studio and do an episode with us, you now have to shoot this the nicest you can with your skill.
Yes, challenge accepted.
So I decided to keep quiet and watch how Kishor's work. This is one man that takes pride in keeping his camera clean because he told me that he travels a lot and his camera can get quite dirty very quickly. The first thing you always do, clean the camera first. And Kishor always mounts his camera on a tripod whenever he's shooting still life. He likes to get the angle nailed down. To light up the singing bowl, Kishor decided to use one LED light on a softbox, and then adjacent to this is a snoot on LED light. And for fill light, he uses a simple bounce cut. He wanted to make the shots look like it's ready for e-commerce use so that he can promote it to all the Nepali sellers online. So that Nepali singing bowl sellers can kind of like use them online later on. Pretty impressive, not a lot of specular highlight despite the fact that it is just a simple shoot. I like this. Simple and quick setup. And next, shooting the kukri. Kishor decides to make the kukri stand like so. They got an acrylic sheet and he put sticky tapes at the back, making the kukri stand like so. I'm pretty sure he'll like to remove the acrylic stand in post. And looking at how he shoot the kukri, I start to understand that he is economical when it comes to setting up the lights. He set up the same light for the singing bowl with the bounce cut and the snoot, and he's doing the same for this shoot. This is very fast and economical, making shoots easy if you're going to do e-commerce still life shoots. Because remember, we don't need to be always professional photographers. Sometimes we need to go to market really fast. That's what Kishor tells me as a commercial photographer. And there's one thing he told me, he learned how to use a lot of flag to flag and get better specular highlight like so. Thank you, Kishor. You've been a good subscriber. If there's anything I can learn from Kishor, he always zooms in and checks every detail of the shoot before he moves on to the next composition or angle. We should try this all the time. Hey, thanks for doing the shoot and teaching us.
Yeah.
You thought you're done, you're not done. My pain in the ass producer now wants me to interview you because you brought gifts. First question. Are there any restriction or cultural sensitivities that photographers who visit Nepal should be aware of when they shoot photos?
There's no restriction. Around the world, many photographers visit Nepal for rich culture and very nice landscape. So all are welcome. There's no restriction, but due respect, you ask people before they shoot.
Question number 2. You shoot a lot of photos and I've seen your portfolio. Now, which one of all these photos that you have taken have a story behind it that you'd like to share with us?
I want to mention the photo I want to make with culture and my art. I tried a lot, but nowadays people of Nepal also dress up like Western. So I want to take a lifestyle photo and field, but I couldn't. So I just put my model. Same way, Same concept but with good lighting, good setup. So this photo won World Photography Awards.
With the Sony one?
Yes.
I'm jealous of you. Okay, I understand that you have a program called the Art of Flash, something that you teach in Nepal. Tell me about this.
Art of Flash Lighting with Kishor Shrestha is a customized course, special 18 hours, where you can learn not only photography, how to express with light, good set of light, light and shadow, and tell the story with lights. So control everything with light.
Hey, if you are like Kishore, a professional photographer, and you're willing to share your techniques and skill, you're welcome to visit Beyond Photography in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And if you do, don't forget to bring gifts like this. Subscribe. All viewers, subscribe. Subscribe. Please.